Filing taxes for the first time? It's way less scary than it seems. You don't need to be a tax expert. You just need the right documents in the right order. Let's break down exactly what you need, where to find it, and how to get it organized before the April deadline. First, the documents. Here's what you're looking for. Your W-2 form. This comes from your employer if you had a job. It shows how much you earned and how much was withheld for taxes. You should receive this by the end of January. 1099 forms. If you did freelance work, contract gigs, or side hustles, you'll get 1099s instead of W-2s. You'll also get 1099s from investment accounts like Robinhood, Charles Schwab, or SoFi if you sold stocks. And if you traded crypto on Coinbase or similar platforms, you'll get a 1099 for that too. These all arrive by the end of January or mid-February. 1098T. If you're in college, your school sends this. It shows tuition paid and can unlock education tax credits that put money back in your pocket. If you paid student loan interest, you'll get a 1098E showing how much you paid. That's deductible. And if you contributed to an IRA or HSA, you'll get forms showing those contributions. These can reduce your taxable income. So, where do you find all this stuff? W-2s and 1099s come in the mail or show up in your work email. Some employers post them in an online portal. Check your email for a notification. For investment or crypto accounts, log into Robinhood, Charles Schwab, SoFi, Coinbase, or wherever you trade. Your 1099s are in the tax documents section. Can't find your W-2? Log into your payroll system like ADP or Paychex. It's probably there. For your 1098T, log into your college's student account. Most schools post it there by early February. IRA and HSA contribution forms come from wherever you have those accounts. Check your email or log into Fidelity, Vanguard, or your HSA provider. Bank statements showing interest earned? Download them from your bank's website or app. You'll need this if you earned more than $10 in interest. Pro tip, if you're missing a form and it's past February, contact whoever owes it to you. Employers and schools are required to send them by January 31st. Now let's organize everything so filing is actually easy. Create one folder. Digital or physical? Doesn't matter. Label it 2025 taxes or whatever year you're filing for. Put all your forms in there. W-2s, 1099s, 1098s, everything. Make a quick checklist. Write down every place you worked or earned money last year, then check off each one as you receive the form. This prevents you from filing before you have everything. Don't file until you have all your documents. If you file and then get another W-2 you forgot about, you'll have to amend your return. That's annoying and delays your refund. Once you have everything, you've got options. Free file. If you made under $79,000, the IRS offers free filing software. Go to irs.gov/freefile and pick a provider. TurboTax, H&R Block, Cash App Taxes. These programs walk you through everything step by step. You answer questions in plain English, they translate it into tax forms, they handle both federal and state returns, check for errors, and maximize your deductions. You literally just type in numbers from your forms. They do the math and give you confidence your return is accurate. Important, save copies of your completed returns. Download the PDFs and keep them with your tax documents. You'll need them for next year and if you ever apply for loans or financial aid. Or hire someone. If you have a complicated situation, a tax preparer can help. But most young adults with 1 or 2 jobs, you can absolutely do this yourself with software. Quick mistakes to avoid. Don't forget your 1099s. The IRS gets copies too, so they'll know if you leave one off. Double check your social security number. One wrong digit delays everything. And don't ignore the deadline, April 15th. Mark it. If you need more time, file for an extension, but you still have to pay what you owe by April 15th. That's it. Get your documents, organize them, file before April 15th. First-time filing isn't as complicated as everyone makes it sound. You've got this. Life's too short to learn everything the hard way. Get help at QuenchyVibes.com. We've got guides on money, career planning, mental health, and everything else you're figuring out on your own.